Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a homework tracker in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you'll find here a search bar. Just click and write homework tracker. Press enter. After pressing enter, you'll find many homework tracker templates. Okay, which is many. Just choose one and start customizing by yourself. I'm choosing this one. If you like this template and if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's the template, it's ready to be customized. I'm going to show you how you can edit every portion you want. If you want to make it zoom, click on Ctrl and up scroll. It will zoom like this. Homework tracker, write down your assignment or anything, a daily track, tick you have completed it. If you want to make sorry, this is not editable, so I'm choosing another one. I'm choosing this one. Let's see if it's editable or not. Let's zoom it. Yeah, it's editable, so we can use this. Homework tracker, description, due date, done. If it's done, then you can just write here done, or you can color it. Okay, just go and color it. Make it another color, any color. Sorry, it's not colorable, but you can use the tick. T-I-K. Here's the tick. You can make it so small as you want, and you can drag it here. That means it's done. Okay, so here's the number. You can make it number 1. Just write number 1 and description what you have done today. Like, I have completed the paragraph traffic jam. Sorry, you have to write first. I have completed paragraph today traffic jam. Okay, so you have completed the traffic jam paragraph. You can write here. Then you can make it number 2. Sorry, due date. What was the due date? Today's date. You can add 11223. Here's the description. You can add here. I have the mathematics was given as done today. You can add here the date. What was the due date? What you have to complete it within the date. You can add here 5/5/2223. Just I'm showing the basic tutorial. But you have completed today. Today, what was the date? You can add here the date. Okay, so 3. You can write here. I have completed. Sorry, tense is completed, or narration has done, or SW is done. You can write here like this. If it's done actually, then you can use the stick, make it small. Sorry, not this. Just choose and make it small. And you can use it here. That means it's done. Okay, so you can change the whole background color too if you wish to, and you can make it bold. Just go here B and it will be bold slightly. You can change the background color going here background color, and you can change it any color, red, pinkish, uh, violet. So after completing work, how you can download it, you can see here share, you have to go download, click on download, then you have to click the download. Okay, so after completing download, you can send this work direct via mail. Go here, share, you can see here the collaboration link, just click on this and make it anyone with the link. Then you can see here people with access, you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with at gmail.com. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a homework tracker in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.